We had a $350 propane bill. Well, I am not a plumber, so there's a very good chance that I'm gonna f this up. Turn off the cold water supply. It's off. My trusty assistant helping me today. Time to start draining some water out of here. I cannot get this pipe off of here, so I'm gonna cut it. Are you kidding me? I need a bigger wrench. This wrench is not big enough to grab onto this new valve. Let's go shop on the back. Check out this mother fun times at the hardware store. The new valve is in.